Rainbow trout. Found lakes and rivers, freshwater farms in USA. Benefits: supports heart health, rich in antioxidants. Nutrients: omega-3, protein, vitamin D, B12, phosphorus. Snapper, red snapper. Found Gulf of Mexico, Atlantic waters. Benefits: boosts immune system, supports muscle growth. Nutrients: protein, selenium, potassium, niacin, omega-3. Sardines. Found Pacific and Atlantic coasts. Benefits: strengthens bones, heart health, rich in omega-3. Nutrients: omega-3, vitamin D, calcium, B12, selenium.
Anchovies. Found Atlantic and Pacific oceans. Benefits: anti-inflammatory, supports heart health. Nutrients: omega-3, calcium, vitamin D, B12, selenium. Herring. Found North Atlantic, USA coasts. Benefits: supports brain and heart, reduces cholesterol. Nutrients: omega-3, vitamin D, B12, selenium, phosphorus.